Good morning. It's the morning of the big storm. Still talking 8 to 12 inches for us here. And right now it's just a misty rain coming down, and we got this light little bit of dust in the snow. I gotta get that shovel off here at church and get some ice melt down before church starts. And then we will, I guess, see what the big storm ends. But I'm gonna go get some wood pellets after church, get that stocked up, go start Mr. Roman's stove and get that ready, and get his little kerosene heater ready too, in case the power goes out and I can't get over there for some reason. It gets snowing in or something. I don't know, we probably got about 4 inches, 5 inches of snow. Got the 82 Chevy in the garage here. I'm getting bored. Is that what you call it, bored?
Yeah, you're definitely bored.
Bored?
Yeah, so he wants to go for a drive in this weather.
Beautiful weather.
Yeah, beautiful weather.
She got herself parked in the little hay shed over here. The horses made it by just fine from the Amish people, so I think the Toyota can make it. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna what?
Chill out some more.
Make snow cream.
Oh yeah, snow cream. Yep.
Me and the man are gonna try to make some snow cream, kind of just like Northern Solution made, Joe. We got some sweetened condensed milk and some vanilla. Use a whole can of sweetened condensed milk and a tablespoon or a teaspoon, Amanda?
Teaspoon.
Of vanilla extract. And about 6 cups of snow.
6 to 8 cups of snow.
6 to 8 cups of clean snow. So hopefully the snow doesn't have any cat pee in it. I didn't smell any or see any. Did you?
No, it's good.
Good. It's good snow. You didn't get
untouched area.
You got it from a good dealer?
Yep.
Alright. That might have been a little bit more than a teaspoon. Oh no, 2 tablespoons. Or 2 gulps. It tastes pretty good.
Okay, is it too sweet to add more snow?
I don't know. Right. We add a little bit of caramel to it.
Okay, good.
Good enough. First day of the storm is over. Or not over yet. I parked the truck in this old garage here. Amanda parked in the hay shed over there. Got about 8 inches to a foot of very heavy, wet snow. So, I wasn't going to blow it yet, but somebody just called out to Amanda's work and she has to go in, I guess, get there, because people are being stupid with snow. So I'm going to try to blow the driveway. I happen to have the snowblower in the back of the truck, both of them, from church. I'm going to try to blow the driveway. Humongous plow ridge down there's very wet snow. Well, I got the driveway all blowing out. It was a very heavy wet snow. Some places there was a foot, some places 8 inches. Depends on how it blew in or not. Very heavy and wet. Got it blowing out there. Had some problems with the snowblower, but got that figured out. Got this blowing out. Got it blowing up here to her grandma's car. And I shoveled the steps. Ooh, I was filling that hole there from the dog. I didn't shovel that over there. But I'm gonna go get some water and some food. Then I'll be back. Ready to go inside, Brandy? Well, I'm on the way home from there now. For some reason I lost all dash lights except for my windshield wipers. That's wonderful. I got my brights on, I think, but now my bright switch stuck. Now I lost all my dash lights. And my wiper fell off, so I put that on with a hose clamp. Roses, right now it's about freezing temperatures. I'm about halfway right now, so I still got about another half an hour to go. And probably take me about an hour to get there. We're only going about 40 miles an hour. Because it's freezing, the roads are just wet still, but it could turn at any minute. 511 says that when I get up here to Little Rock, right now I'm in Gilman, when I get up to Little Rock, looks like it's going to be completely covered then on Highway 25. So that will be the interesting stretch, I guess, when I get up there. Well, we'll see what the good Lord brings, and we ask him to get home safely. A lot of wet snow out there. Dad already got the driveway cleaned, I guess. So that's good. I made it to Little Rock, and my dash lights started working. Look at that. Everything's working out good. This old blacksmith shop right here, they got the little ramp going up inside of it. It has horseshoes stamped into the concrete. It looks kind of cool. Well, I made it home in the daylight, got the kitty cat fed, and now it's snowing here, so we'll see what the morning brings.